guys, we're in the garden center today and we're going to be picking up some plants to plant in my garden. And here we're getting some rosemary, and then we move on. First I need to put this in the basket that my sister Jasmine's holding from the baking show. Then we're getting some red onion, and then we're going to get honey snap.
What's that, sweetheart?
Honey snap. Pea honey snap. Putting it here, and then we're gonna go. Now that we're done, we're gonna head to the garden and plant them. Honey snap pea is also known as a sugar snap pea. It has 3 to 8 little round peas inside a thick, long pod. This pea was made by crossing a shelling pea plant and a snow pea plant, and was released in 1980 as sugar snap. The plant is a climbing plant that likes sun and grows to about 1.3 meters long. So let's go plant it, guys. Hey guys, I'm going to be telling you some fun facts about red onion. Red onion, also called Spanish onion or purple onion, it is the most commonly grown as it is mild and has a sweet taste. Red onion has a higher amount of antioxidants,
Yep.
compared to white onion, and are naturally blood thinner. Red onion helps boost the immune system. So now let's go plant it. Alright guys, so we just went ahead and planted them all, but I did keep 2 so I can show you guys how I planted them. But you can also see the onion forming at the bottom here. See, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Rosemary is a small evergreen plant of the mint family and is native to Mediterranean region. The leaves have a pungent, slightly bitter taste and used dry or fresh to season food like lamb, duck, chicken, and many others. It has a nice purple-blue flower and grows to about 1 meter high. So let's go get planting. Hey guys, thanks for watching the show. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, and like the video so I can post more content for you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.